Have you all had your breakfast? Ready to listen to class? Good. We are learning about our universe, and in the last class we have learned about solar system. What are the things you have learned in solar system? For example, you have sun in the center and all the planets are revolving around the sun. How many planets are there? 8 planets. And these 8 planets have their own properties, and we have learned about only the names of these 8 planets. So, what is the first planet? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. What are the 8 planets around the sun? And these planets travel in orbits. What is this called? This is orbit. Come on, repeat with me the names of 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. And you are learning about the universe. You have learned some points. That is, what is the third planet? It's our Earth, right? We are living in Earth. It is the third planet from the sun. And this Earth looks in blue color due to the water present in the Earth, and we call it as blue planet. And this is all about last class. In today's class we are going to learn about the moon. What is that? The moon. What is the spelling of moon? M-O-O-N. Moon. We all know moon, right? We can see moon in day or night. Moon is visible in night. What do you know about this moon? Moon gives us light. And why we cannot see this moon in the daytime? Why we cannot see moon in the daytime? Why we cannot see moon in daytime? Because the sun's light is more powerful than the light of the moon, and also when this earth is rotating, we will be facing the moon once and you will be rotating, right? Along with the earth we are rotating, and when you reach the next side we cannot see this moon and we are facing the sun. And what is the shape of this moon? This is the shape of the moon, right? The moon is a huge size, and when you consider this moon, this is huge in size, but all the days can you see the moon in this particular shape? No. When you consider full moon day, you see the full moon. Then it will slowly start decreasing in size. will increase and decrease in size. This is about moon. And other thing, one more thing present in the universe is that we are going to learn next. What that is? Stars. Have you seen stars? Have you seen stars? Yeah, we are all familiar with stars, right? The stars appear in midnight. Stars appears in the sky during midnight, and whether the stars are countable? No. Huge number of stars are there. Actually, what is star? Tiny dots of light. We see stars as very small lights, right? It will be looking like a dot. Many tiny dots of lights are called stars. Whether the stars are too small? No, actually the stars are also big in size, but it is present too far from Earth. It is present far away from Earth, so they are very small in our eyes. When we see from here, it is too far, so the structure of the stars is very small for our eyes. And when you consider a group of stars, here you see a group of stars are here, and when the stars form a pattern, for example, see this picture. This is forming a pattern, right? Which pattern it is forming? It is nothing but called, what is that? Bear. It is forming the shape of a bear, right? It is great bear. So, when the stars form some pattern in the sky, it is called constellation. What is that? When the stars form some pattern in the sky, it is called constellation. So, we have large number of stars, and they are very large in size, but as they are too far from Earth, they are very small to our eyes, and because of the sunlight, we cannot see the stars in morning. Because sunlight is too high, the power of sun is high, so that we are not seeing stars in morning. Actually, the stars are there in morning also. The light of the sun rays overcome the light of the stars, and we cannot see stars in morning. And when the stars form some pattern in the sky, it is called constellation. For example, Great Bear and Orion are some of the examples of this pattern. So, by this, we are ending this unit. Let's have a revision, because in this class, in this chapter, you have learned many words, right? Once again, we can revise. Listen. When you consider this universe, we know that we are living in Earth. But when you consider the universe, not only Earth, all that present in the world will come under universe. In the first class, you have learned about sun. Sun is a source of light. Sun is a source of heat. And the sun has revolving around that. What are the 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These 8 planets revolve around the sun in a path called orbit. And this third planet is nothing but called, what is the third planet? Earth. Earth only we are living. When you see Earth from some other planet, it is in blue color. Why it is in blue color? Because of the water content. When you take the Earth, 71% of Earth is covered with water. So because of the huge amount of water present in the Earth, this Earth is looking like in blue color and we call Earth as blue planet. Then come to Moon. Moon we will see in night time and moon will be huge in size. Moon size will increase and decrease. Then come to stars. Stars also we see in midnight. Actually the stars are very big in size. As they are present too far from us, we see it in very small size. Next, when the stars form some pattern like Great Bear, Orion, etc., they are called constellation. What they are called? Constellation. What is the spelling? C-O-N-S-T-E-L-L-A-T-I-O-N. Constellation. This is all about our universe. Totally what are the things present in the universe? Sun is there, moon is there, stars are there, planets are there, 8 planets are there. Among that we are living in one planet. So imagine the earth alone is very big. We cannot have a trip to our earth. Can you? Can you go to all the part of the earth? No, right? Given the earth is too big, we have 7 more planets like Earth and the smooth stars in the universe. So now you are clear that what are the things present in the universe. I hope you all understood today's class. In the next class we can start with our Earth. Next is our Earth. Now we have learned about the whole universe. From the universe, now we are going to learn about our Earth in which we live. And your weekly test portion is the last unit. That is, what's the last unit? C6. Learn well, prepare and write your weekly test. I hope you all understood about today's class. We can meet in the next class. Thank you students. Have a nice day.